Hey guys, so today is Saturday, but it's not only just a Saturday, it is snowing in Clemson, which is huge. They've already made it e-learning for Monday, and that means that today we are gonna go sledding, hang out in the snow. We're all kind of getting our snow gear on. I just put some mascara on so that I wouldn't look absolutely crazy when I walk out, but that's what we're doing. Also, this is kind of random, but I realized in my other video I did not talk about my other roommate, Ashlyn, who is one of my favorite roommates, and I love Ashlyn so much, y'all. So I just wanted to mention that in this video. Ashlyn, if you're watching this, I love you and I miss you.
Hello, vlog.
So Ben's got his snow outfit on. It's crazy. So he's all ready for sledding.
And waterproof and warm.
Yeah, we've got the Clemson game on, and Beckett's just putting 2 sweatshirts on. Okay, this is my snow outfit. It's just my cute little CC hat and my big jacket, and then he's got his waders. And Beckett's from Boston, so he's used to Beckett's from Boston, so he's used to this, so he's just going out in a sweatshirt. So we're trying to figure out the best place. I mean, this looks pretty decent. We thought maybe over there too could be a spot, but I think we're gonna go right here. We decided that this hill is better than the other one because it's more steep. So we've got the sleds. I just fell 6 times. It's like this is like ice or something under here because I just ate it. Okay, you're the only one that can get up there. Literally just.
You would have guessed that this was straight ice.
He fell all the way. He just like wish I had gotten that on camera. Are you okay? Okay.
I feel like,
Are you okay?
what's the brother from Christmas Story?
Oh, yeah.
Ralphie?
No, Ralphie is the older.
That brother.
I don't remember.
Randy.
Yeah.
I was like Randy when he can't get up. That's how I just felt like. Watch this
though. It's literally ice under the snow, so that's why I've been falling like crazy. And that's what we've all been doing for like an hour, trying to get up here. Ben's the only one that's been able to make it up this far. Okay, you ready?
I'm going down this one.
Okay. Oh! See, I almost just fell. My hands are frozen. I cannot feel anything. I think it's crap walking.
Don't make fun of me.
I'm not, Becky. I fell 3-4 times. You got it. Okay, you ready?
I'm gonna dive into it.
Oh my gosh. He's gonna go into the road.
Ready?
Yep. Beckett's still trying to get up there. But I honestly couldn't even get up there, so kudos to Beckett. You did it! Yeah, Beckett! He just went, woo! I wish I would have gotten you falling on camera. Go, Beckett! Woo!
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no.
Are you good?
Are you okay?
I'm going right here.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Please don't get hurt.
Ben, you needed the slide
You yeah. Try to slide down like he did.
Surf it.
Yeah, try to surf it. Instant regret. Shut up. Oh my gosh. This seems stupid. This doesn't seem like a good idea. That was actually pretty good.
Hello, vlog. I'm currently laying on the side. Caroline's trying to pull me.
Okay guys, we're back at the apartment. It's freezing outside. I have hat hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I sure did. It was hilarious. There were so many falls, so many fails. I didn't get as many of me falling, but trust me, I probably fell more than they did. And unfortunately, I just did not film myself falling because I didn't think it, but the hill that we went to was a sheet of ice underneath all that snow. So that's why we kept falling, slipping. It was crazy. So now that we're back, we're probably just gonna make hot chocolate, maybe watch a movie, but we're staying inside now. So thanks for watching.